It's another day with Fofolicious Food Bites and I'm super excited. It's a yam day, but not just ordinary yam, it's yam porridge. Yes, it's so delicious and very simple to make. This is my version, Fofolicious version. My ingredients for today are peeled yam, ugu leaves, stockfish, bomo, dried fish, beef, salt seasoning, beef stock, tomatoes, onions, tatashe, rodo. I've already blended all that pepper mix now. And palm oil. My water is already boiling. I'm going to add my yam and a bit of salt and allow it to cook. I'm checking the yam now. When it's almost cooked, I pour in all my pre-cooked stockfish, bomo, beef, dried fish, and the stock, and also the seasoning. I'll mix, then add my pepper mix and my palm oil. I'll mix it all together, allow it to cook. As you can see, the yam is so soft now. It's time to add my ugu leaves. And just wait for about a minute and it's all done, ready to serve. I'm enjoying my yam porridge with peppered fried mullet fish. Honestly, this is so delicious. Please recreate. It's so simple. Keep watching and enjoying Fofolicious Food Bites. Many more yummy, simple recipes to come.